Ja, velkommen til nyhederne her på 24 Nordjyske. Mange udenlandske studerende har hårdt brug for job. De kommer hertil med tro på at finde et job til at kunne bo her, men de får forkert information i hjemlandet, og så ender de med at droppe ud uden at få en uddannelse.
Det er ikke let for udenlandske studerende at få job i Aalborg. Arbejdsgiverne kræver ofte, at de skal tale godt dansk, og så er de mange om budet. Bare på UCN er der mere end 1000 udenlandske studerende, og mange af dem er tvunget til at have et arbejde, og de kommer hertil og tror, at det er let at finde.
Sometimes students are unfortunately leaving because they couldn't find this job and they didn't have pre-savings for living here. Because sometimes they come with thinking that they will find fast job, but it's not so easy to do so.
Det fortæller Atanas Kovacev, der er de studerendes ambassadør på UCN. Han får de udenlandske studerende i røret, når der er problemer med job og bolig.
Denmark is famous abroad with job opportunities, social security, life status and happiness. People think that it's normal to find a job fast, and also maybe some agencies that send students here, they're not really loyal and they send students without telling them the job situation that is here. And
how can you tell that the agents might not tell the truth?
Well, basically the agencies are working from abroad, so they also don't know the situation here. They just guess that there is a job opportunity without them being here, so it's rather kind of subjective to say that there is job opportunities for everyone.
Præcis hvor mange der må rejse hjem ved Atanas Kovacev ikke.
Well, I don't have such a statistics, but at least I know a few friends who already left because of that reason.
Løsningen ligger hos agenterne i de internationale studerendes hjemlande.
First of all, maybe the agencies should have more contact with the Danish institutions to see how the life looks like, if it's easy to find job or not, if it's easy to find apartment and so. And maybe it would be also nice if more Danish people actually give jobs in English, because the majority of the Danish people, they do speak really good English.
Ifølge UCN er de udenlandske studerende blevet gjort klart fra start, hvordan mulighederne for job og bolig er i Aalborg. Jeg synes, vi har meget ren samvittighed med det, og vores agenter lyver i hvert fald ikke, så bliver de skiftet ud, siger international chef hos UCN, Ole